Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and safe. Today, as part of our distant learning program, I welcome all the students of class 8 to our revision program, to our English session, in which we are going to discuss the revision part for the FA1. Earlier, we started the video, in the previous video, we started the revision. Children, let us continue our revision, taking the lesson, the tattered blanket. See, children, once again I remind, the question examination is for 25 marks. It is completely objective type, right? Now, here the characters. What are the characters? Gopi, see children, Gopi, Kamala, Vimala. Vimala is the wife of Vimala, right? Amma is often like these days, she doesn't recognize anybody. Why doesn't Gopi's mother recognize anyone? So options: old age, doesn't care anyone, cannot see, and no, all the above. See, because of the old age. So this is how questions are framed. See, Gopi's sister explained, but sometimes her memory is quite short. Then she asked me if you have sent any letter. I tell her everything is fine with you. Vimala and kids. Who is Vimala? Vimala is the wife of our Gopi. Right. What is the point telling her that you have not written for a year? Poor thing, I would not dream of making her unhappy. Does Kamala want to make her mother unhappy? No, she doesn't want to make her unhappy. So, why did Kamala tell that there is a letter from Gopi? Why did she tell lies? Because if she told that there was no letter from Gopi, she was unhappy. So that she doesn't want to make her unhappy, she tells lies, saying that he is always writing letters. Unhappy. What is the opposite of unhappy? Sad, right children? I got promotion last year. After that, I am always on my toys. On my toys. On my toys means busy. See children. On toys. Busy. So, it may come in the exam. What is meant by on toys? A. Standing on the toy. B. On the way to toy. C. Busy. D. Lazy. Okay children. So then you choose the answer busy. Right? Very important from the vocabulary part. And there are tours quite often. I didn't get any time to write letters. So why didn't he get time? Why? What did Gopi say that he could not write the letters? Why didn't Gopi write letters to her mother? So you can write. He has no time. Okay, he's not interested, and he has no mobile. This is how options are given. Not mobile. Letters are not available. This is how options are given. But you should know the correct answer is he had no time. He said that he had no time to write letters because of Often he went for tours. Why don't you ask Vimala to write, or doesn't she get any time too? What are you mumbling over there? Mumbling. See children, important from vocabulary part. Mumbling. What is meant by mumbling? You are given. Reading A. See, sorry, option A. Speak loudly and speak fast. Speak by shouting. Speak unclearly and quietly. Unclearly. Mumbling means unclearly. We can't listen. Very slowly. Okay, that is called mumbling. So here also question, what is meant by mumbling? You are given 4 options, right? That is also important. I heard somebody coming in car. Who is it? I told you it is Gopi. But Gopi is in Delhi. Where? Here another question. Where does, see children, where does Gopi live in? Where does Gopi live in? Delhi. Option A, right? You are given option A. Mumbai. Option B, Thiruvananthapuram. Okay. Option C, Delhi. Option D, Hyderabad. Okay, you can write option C, right? You are given, if that is the correct answer. Right, children? Yes, Amma, it's me. I have come from Delhi. Who did Gopi marry? Amma said suddenly, lowering her voice. What's his wife's name? Don't say you have forgotten her name. Don't you remember? Vimala, district collector, Nambiar's eldest daughter. Right? Here, one more question, children. Listen, you please focus on this line. Who is see here questions. Vimala, district collector, Nambiar's eldest daughter, right? Who is Vimala? Right. Gopi's wife, that is one right answer. But if it is not there in the option, district collector, Nambiar's eldest daughter. Okay, right, you please underline. You can get one question from this line. Okay. Oh, I forgot the name. Was the letter from Gopi today? He writes every day. Does he write really? Does he write letters every day? No. Once in a year. For 1 year, there is no letter. But Gopi's sister, she says every day he writes letters. See children, next. I'm terribly upset if I don't get a letter from him every day. See, how does mother feel when she doesn't get a letter? She said, I would upset. If there is no letter from my son, I would upset. That is how mother. He knows it, that's why he writes every day. See, mother said, he knows, my son knows that I will upset if I don't get letter from my son. So knowing that, he writes letters regularly. Looks at the way she talks, Gopi's sister turned to him. As I told you, you know nothing about what is going on here. Do you? You know, my dear brother, see how does she feel about you? What will happen if I tell that there is no letter for 1 year? Once you observe, look at this way. See, who is that? Amma said again. Who is that in a car? It's me. Gopi said, I have to come to Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, children. Here again, one some. Where did he come from? So where is he working? In Delhi. Now, from where did he come to his village? Thiruvananthapuram. Why did he go to Thiruvananthapuram? He went to Thiruvananthapuram for meeting purpose. That is also you can expect one bit. Why did Gopi go to Thiruvananthapuram? You can say meeting, or already we discussed that question. From where did Gopi come to his village? Thiruvananthapuram. Right? Thiruvananthapuram, Delhi. Here options are given, but right answer Thiruvananthapuram. See, exasperatedly, here another word, it is difficult. Maybe you are asked the meaning. exasperatedly, exasperatedly. See children, exasperatedly, what is the meaning? Very annoyed. Right? Very annoyed. Right? Exasperatedly means very annoyed. Otherwise, sometimes the question may be, Gopi's sister said to him exasperatedly. Exasperatedly is underlined. What kind of parts of speech exasperatedly, the underlined word? Is it a noun, adjective, verb, adverb? The correct answer is adverb. Right, children? Exasperatedly. See here, Gopi's sister said to him exasperatedly. So the word is underlined. What kind of parts of speech? The underlined word. Option A, noun. Option B, verb. Option C, adjective. Option D, adverb. The right answer is adverb. Right? This is our questions we can get. Come to the next page, children. Here, see the next. Do you know my son Gopi? Amma asked. He is in Delhi, a government officer. Who is government officer? Gopi is a government officer. He has a Kasari Yogam. See, it is also important. Kasari Yogam. See children, learn all these meanings. Kasari Yogam. What is meant by Kasari Yogam? Well settled. You are given options. You can select the correct one. Right? He draws salary of 2,500 rupees. 2,500 rupees. Right? That is the salary. Okay. Salary. S-A-L-A-R-Y. Children, here let us frame the questions. How much salary does Gopi get? 2,000, 2,500, 25,000 and 50,000. You can write 2,500 is the correct option. And next one, here salary, spelling also will be given. Salary. So what is the correct spelling? You are given different words. So you can select the correct one. So salary spelling S-A-L-A-R-Y. Right? S-A-L-A-R-Y. Yes, I know him. Tell him to send me a blanket. There is a cold mist in the morning. If I catch cold, it doesn't leave me for a long time. Tell him to send a blanket, won't you? Here, see children, tell him to send me a blanket, won't you? Question tag, right? A red one. Okay, here a red one. A red blanket, see? A red blanket. So here, the question is, which color blanket does his mother ask? which color blanket does he want? Okay, you can ask which color? Red blanket. Okay, children, what is the question here? Which color blanket does Gopi's mother want? Red color. Why did she ask a blanket? The correct answer is a cold mist, because of the cold mist. The one he brought for me when he was studying in Madras. Another bit. Madras. See, Madras. So, when did he buy the blanket? First time. So, when he was a student and studying at Madras, he bought one blanket. Right? Here also we can frame a question. Right? Please don't forget to tell him, the mist is not good for me. I think I will stretch myself out for a bit. I have been sitting too long in the armchair. I have a pain in the neck. I have a pain in the neck. See, children, very important. I have a pain. I have a pain in the neck. In the neck, right? Here, see the proportion in the neck. I have a pain on the neck. See here, it is given a blank. Options are given: A, on; B, in; C, under; D, below. So the correct answer is in the neck, right? Gopi's sister put Amma to bed and came back to veranda. Already I told you the spelling of veranda also important, right? See, children, the spelling of veranda also important. So that also may be veranda spelling V-E-R-A-N-D-A. V-E-R-A-N-D-A, veranda. See, that is also important regarding our examination. Okay, you didn't come to see me, Amma, did you? You didn't come to see Amma, did you? Here also, see, children, you didn't come to see. For example, here, what is the question tag? You know already this topic. Did you? Right? Did you? So here also one question. What is the question tag? For example, don't you? Didn't you? Did you? Here options are given. The right one, did you? Right? Delhi is too expensive. You know, I have 4 children to look after now. See, children, look after. What is meant by look after? What is meant by look after? Can you say? Look after means take care. Look after means take care. We have to look after our old parents. We have to look after our old parents. That is the, sometimes you are given the meaning of the phrasal verb. You see here, we have to focus on the vocabulary part. Right, children? Look after means take care. Right? Now let us see. I cannot make both ends meet. See, children, I cannot make both ends meet. Both ends meet also important. Both ends meet. It is an idiomatic expression, right? What is meant by both ends meet? See, both ends meet means here he has enough money. He cannot meet his expenditure with his salary. That is both ends meet, right, children? Now, let us see, one has to keep up one's status. It will be a great help. I can raise some money by selling my share of the family property. I came to talk with you. Why did Gopi, in really, why did he come to meet his mother? See, what is the correct answer? Property. Right? You are given different options, but you select the property. Right, children? And you will see your land and go away with the money. I know you won't come to any more after that. How did Gopi's sister feel when she came to know that he wanted the property? She felt very unhappy, right, children? And one more here, irritation. Irritation is nothing but annoyance. What is meant by irritation? Annoyance. Here also it comes in the form of the vocabulary. It took the more than 5 years to find to come. How many years did how many years did he take to visit his mother? Here also one question. 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, like that options are given. But here correct answer is 5 years. Amma is 83. How old is Gopi's mother? 83, 82, 81, 80. So write the correct one, 83. Right, children? Finally, the meaning of feeble, feebly, weak. So this is how we can expect questions from this lesson. Let us continue our revision in the coming video. Right, children? Thank you.